Game na po tayo, first game. Yung mga hindi natawag, second game na po tayo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Lima kayo dito. Then lima again. Yeah. Okay, game. Pwede na kayo mag-miss. Video recorded po ito. Plus commentary. Kaya start na po tayo. Alright. So, simulan na po tayo ng Game 1 ng Primetime Ballers. Alright, number 6 binigay kay Jello. Binigay kay number 6. Chad binigay kay number 29. Attempting for a 3. Pumunta sa ilalim pero no good. Alright, number 28 binigay kay number 22. 22 binigay kay number 1. Fake. Left hand. So, 2 points. Kay number 1. Score 2-0. Number 6, binigay kay number 29. Number 29, binigay sa kaliwa. Overpass sa 3. Attempting, no good. Foul. Again, score po natin 2-0 in favor of Perenia. Number 29 on the left side. Pinasa, pull up, no good. Foul. Number 29 binigay sa gitna. On the left, for 3 points. Basket count by number 29. Score po natin 3-2. Naman po ng isa. Angelo and friends. Pull up 3, no good. Rebound by number 6, fast break. Binigay kay number 22, easy to. Fast break points, 2 points. Score po natin, 5-2 in favor of Jello and friends. Number 1, nagtangka, no good. 4-3. No basket count. Alright, setting a play. Number 20. Binigay kay number 28. Binigay sa naka-pink. Number 23. Number 20. No good. Rebound by Jello. On 3 defenders. Binigay kay number 29. 23. Number 6. On the left side, nagharap na papasaan. Fast break kay Jello. On 2 defenders, no good. Rebound by number 23. Foul pala yun. Jello from the inbound. Binigay number 23 for 3. Rebound by Jello. Second chance points. No good. Rebound by number 28. 28. Diretso. Side step. Loose ball. Binigay kay Jello. Binigay kay number 6. Number 6 to number 29. 29 on the left side. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Silver. Sleepless guy. Number 1. Number 20. Dribble. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 28. Foul. 8 minutes and 30 seconds left. Score 5-2 in favor of Jello and friends. Number 20 on the right side. Pass 2 defenders. Recovered by number 1. Number 1 on the right. Pinasa by number 28. Rebound again by number 1. Sa ilalim, tinira. No good. Rebound by Jello. Bigay kay number 29. Number 6, handling the ball. Bigay kay number 22, 23 to 6. Alright, pivot for 3! Sayang. No good. Rebound by number 20 on the fast break. 2 on 3. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 6. Hawak ni number 29.
Naglaro din kami kagabi.
29 sa gitna. Hinahanap ng papasahan. On 3. Number 23 kay number 1, pick and roll. Pero nag-roll palabas sa basket. Score, 5-6. Alright, steal by Silver. Silver, bigay number 20, steal by Jello, bigay number 6. Number 6, for 3! No good. Again, 5-6. Isa po ang kalamangan ng Pereñas. Team ng Pereñas. 4 minutes left. 5-6 ang score. Isa lang po ang kalamangan. Number 20 for 3. Swak na swak ka. Right, number 20. Apat na po ang kalamangan. 9-5 ang score. 9-5. Steal by number 1. Back to back 3 ba? No good. Rebound again by number 20. Waiting down, setting the play.
Walang bayan dyan.
Bigay kay number 22. Number 22 on the left side.
Sabi mo walang bayan.
Second steal. Same possession. For 3. Back to back 3. three by number 20.
Papasok na ang sako.
Lumabo na ang kalamangan. 12 final score. Pito na lang.
Lumabas na flight
Pito
na
ang
number 30.
kalamangan.
Kausapin na namin mamaya.
Number 23, handing the ball, diretso to
30
defender's on name, pero pinalik number 6 to number 29. Number 29, sidestep, veteran moves. 2 points by number 29.
9-7.
9-7,
Nakatrash pa to?
12-7, lima po ang kalamangan. 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. Number 23 from fast break to number 6. Naghihintay ng kakampi. Handling the ball. Bringing number 29 for 3. No good. Outside. Change possession.
2 minutes.
2 minutes and 15 seconds left. Lima po ulit ang kalamangan. De La Pereña. For 3 again. Sweet spot pero no good. Even by number 29 on the fast break. 2 on 3. Bigay number 23. Steal. Napunta kay number 20. Number 20.
Niggas sweating my ass.
Pass.
Doing too much.
Not converted.
Texas, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my
Same possession. 1 minute and 40 seconds left. 1 minute and 40 seconds left. Lima po ulit ang kalamangan.
Is where this shit too
Number 20 for 3. Paso! 3 points by number 20. 8 po ang kalamangan. 7:15. 1 minute and 25 seconds left. 1 minute and 25 seconds left po. On the red jersey, pull up for 3, Paso! 10-15 po ang score, 5 lang po ang kalamangan. Number 20, diretso, tumangka na naman. No good. Binigay kay number 20, 1 minute left, 5 lang po ang kalamangan. On the left side, side step,
niggas sweating.
4-3,
Doing too much.
no good. Number 1,
Too turned up.
pinasa kay number 22, lumusot, bumalik kay number 1.
So what?
Number 1, pinasulit kay number 22, pull up, so 2 points by number 22. 7 po ang kalamangan, 35 seconds left, last 2 possessions na lang po tayo, last 2 possessions. Number 6, 20 number 6, for 3, no good.
Ano bilang ng second?
10-19, 10 seconds left.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Too many cars, they roll me, play with my shit.